Hello all. Nice early morning here in Taipei. For today's project, I just want to fool around a little bit. I found this piece of 3/4 with a slight depression on one end, so it gave me an idea to use this tool here, which is nothing more than the ball peen end of a hammer welded onto a shank, to expand on that depression. This starts to go a bit sideways on me, but I'm not concerned, and I figure this should be less uniform and maybe more organic looking. Upsetting in any form takes patience and a lot of heats. It also wouldn't hurt if I got the piece to a higher temperature. I'm going to go with this cone mandrel and see what happens. If there's an inordinate amount of background noise, it's because they're ripping up the street below. A weekly occurrence here. Now onto this countersink. I try a bit of everything to deepen this depression. This is one of those projects where I'm not even sure what's going on, but I'm too hard-headed to stop. Maybe that's okay. That jackhammer noise down below is really a pain. My idea is to make this into an interesting handle end, and working on this has given me an idea for another project. At this point, it looks to me like a flower bud. If I connect this to a longer, slender piece, maybe making something like a fire poker, I think this would be pretty nice. The street noise below has really got me today, so I think I'll stop here for this. Catch you guys next time.